At a busy airbase, surrounded by the sound of roaring engines and the smell of jet fuel, the A-10 Thunderbolt II, better known as the Warthog, stands ready for action. But behind this tough, battle-proven aircraft is a dedicated team that keeps it flying day after day. Among them are some of the most skilled and determined women in the Air Force, maintaining one of the most iconic close air support jets ever built. Their precision, strength, and technical expertise ensured that this flying tank remains a symbol of American air power. The A-10 is a machine built purely for survival and support. Designed around its GAU-8 Avenger cannon, a massive 30mm gun capable of firing nearly 4,000 rounds per minute. The aircraft was made to destroy tanks, fortifications, and enemy vehicles. It's a rugged, straightforward design, everything about it screams function over form. The armor plating around the cockpit, the redundant flight systems, and the ability to keep flying even with heavy damage make the A-10 a legend among pilots. But to keep an aircraft like that battle-ready, it takes more than engineering. It takes skill, teamwork, and relentless attention to detail. The women who maintain these jets perform one of the most demanding jobs in aviation. They inspect hydraulic lines, replace worn parts, calibrate the targeting systems, and ensure that every bolt and rivet is perfectly in place. Working on the flight line is not glamorous, it's hot, loud, and physically challenging, but their professionalism and focus turn this harsh environment into a place of purpose. Every time an A-10 takes off, their hard work is on display in the roar of its twin engines and the precision of its strikes. What makes the A-10 particularly interesting from a maintenance perspective is how modular and repairable it is. Unlike more modern stealth aircraft, the Warthog is designed for easy access. Panels can be removed quickly, parts swapped in minutes, and repairs done directly on the tarmac. It's a mechanic's dream, in many ways built for practicality rather than aesthetics. The women who work on these jets often describe a deep sense of pride, knowing that their hands have touched an aircraft trusted by pilots in combat zones. They know that every inspection they perform could be the difference between a safe mission and disaster. Beyond the technical side, there's a powerful story of representation and respect. These women aren't just mechanics, they're leaders, and examples of how precision and passion transcend gender in the world of aviation. Their presence challenges stereotypes and proves that skill and dedication define capability. Watching them torque bolts, test fuel systems, and communicate over the roar of jet engines is a reminder that maintaining air superiority doesn't happen in the cockpit alone. It happens on the ground in the hands of those who ensure every mission begins and ends safely. The A-10 may be famous for its durability and firepower, but it's the people behind it, especially these skilled women, who truly keep it alive, turning raw metal and machinery into a dependable force, ready for any challenge the skies demand.